welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is anazodochukwudubem, and today we'll be talking about Antarctica. So last 2 months, I actually started this World Geography series, and I started with Africa, where I'm from, and now we'll be going all the way down to Antarctica. So before we go, I would just like to show you the map of Antarctica. It's really a huge map. Sorry, the lightning is very bad. The lightning. So, Antarctica is often one of the most mysterious, isolated continents in the world. On many geographical maps, on world atlases, you hardly see Antarctica even pop up. You hardly see Antarctica even show up. So Antarctica is a continent many people neglect, and is a continent that is really amazing and mysterious. So I'll just like to go through the introduction of Antarctica, and maybe next time I will do another video on the full geography of Antarctica. So Antarctica is actually Arctica, which Arctos means north in Greek, and anti obviously means opposite of the north, which means Antarctica is opposite of the north, which is the south. Antarctica is 14.2 million square kilometers, and it is the fifth largest continent in the world. Antarctica is basically nothing but ice, glaciers, penguins, few microorganisms like algae, bacteria, whatever. Yeah, just not a continent that anyone will go to. But Antarctica is one of the continents that constantly shape the earth, because basically climate change and everything is all caused by the effect of the Antarctic glaciers. Antarctic glaciers are over 1.6 miles, which are the thickest glaciers in the planet. And no country owns Antarctica. No country is a sovereign power over Antarctica. But we have scientists who come there from time to time. Like the population of scientists in Antarctica is actually 4,400 during the summer, and less than 1,000 during the winter. So Antarctica is just a very enclosed continent. It has 6 months daylight, 6 months of night, and the 6 months daylight, 24 hours daylight, 24 hours of darkness in the night. And Antarctica is also one of my tourism bucket list, because Antarctica is really a place where I would love to go to, not only because I'm an introvert, but because I love exploring extremes, geography of extremes, and whatever. So that's really Antarctica. And let's dig into. It was a quite happy Valentine's Day. Remember when we went to met in Paris? This aspect of the video, we'll be talking about the Antarctic wildlife. The Antarctic wildlife is very diverse, not as diverse as those of Africa, North America, South America, but Antarctica still has a very good, thriving wildlife despite the harsh climatic conditions in Antarctica. Wildlife include emperor penguins, leopard seals, macaroni penguins, minke whales, blue whales. Yeah, I think that. Those are the major wildlife in Antarctica. The best time to visit Antarctica is from November to February, because those are the summer months. Those are the months where you get the 24 hours daylight, and there is no nocturnal vibes there. Nocturnal vibes. So now let's dive dig into the Antarctic political administration. Now, Antarctica is politically divided by 29 sovereign states that came under the Antarctic Treaty in 1947. And this treaty just kind of splits Antarctica into these countries. Now, no country has full authority over the Antarctic landmass, meaning no country can invest in mining or build cities or build things there. Most or all the countries there are just meant for promotion of Antarctic scientific research, and as well as some scientists who come there and everything. So there's nothing like Antarctica having cities, and there's no city in Antarctica.